What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Matt's Market. What's happening, Ernesto? What is happening out there in the world of crypto? We're about to find out tonight. We'll be going over some technical analysis on DogeCoin, and I'll get to the point about why I think DogeCoin and crypto as a whole is about to get right back on track. I think we're seeing that big reversal that we all been waiting for, and the charts are looking very, very bullish, guys. So we'll dump into all of that come shortly. First off, I want to see how's everybody doing tonight. Y'all doing all right tonight? Please let us know down in the comments section below. I just tweeted some stuff out. I'll give a few people a couple minutes to get in here, and then we'll be rocking with Crisco, man. What's good with you, Ernesto? Hopefully you had a good day today, man. I just hung out at the house, hung out with the family, didn't do too much of nada. Not too much of nada, man. So guys, we had a bunch of FUD we've been living through for the past couple weeks, and I think all that stuff is over with. I think the B-word convention actually is turning crypto around, and we'll get into all that with the charts here in a minute. What's happening, Jamie R? How you doing, buddy? I hope you're doing good, man. I hope life's treating you well. Hope all is good in the hood. Ernesto says, I'm chilling, drinking a cold one, thinking about playing some Smash Brothers, dude. I could definitely go for some Smash Brothers, man. You're bringing back the 90s kid in me, man. I got the little I forgot the name of it. It's like a small Nintendo. I bought it at the flea market a couple years ago. I got all the Game Boy games. I got all the Super Nintendo games. Just every game you can even think of that happened in the 90s, I have it. And that's a good time, man, when you break that out. He-Man, what's up, man? 1 week cup and handle on Doge. 43 soon. I do believe Doge is about to rip, man. I really do. Take a look at what you're talking about, man. That's the 1 week chart right there. I'm not seeing what you're referring to, but dude, nonetheless, I think Doge and crypto is about to have a major reversal, man. Major reversal. I think we're already starting to see the trend start to trend upwards. I think we'll be just fine, man. I do think we'll hop back in the 20 to 25 cent range next week and continue to grow from there, man. We're seeing Bitcoin above 34,000 right now. Ethereum holding over 2,100 pretty well, up 1.51% on the day. Bitcoin up 2%. ADA coming back strong, 122. You could have picked up ADA for 103 last week. $1.03. That's a good return on your money right there if you'd have just bought that last dip. But nonetheless, we are rocking. I had a productive day. Got one of my project cars done and cruise around in it today. Cool, man. Can you please drop that picture in the Discord? I would love to see what you're rocking with, Ernesto. Always see y'all working with some cool projects over there, from Mercedes-Benz tables to all kind of good stuff. So make sure you drop that picture in the Discord, man. I would love to see what you were working on today, and I'd love to check it out, brother. Not bad. Just hold on. Doge to the moon. You ain't lying, Jamie R. The charts are looking really bullish right now, guys. I'm predicting next week we'll hop back in the 20-25 cent range. We'll continue to stair step up from this point on. We had great news with Amazon looking to hire a crypto expert to lead its way into the crypto world. We know Jeff Bezos stepped down. That is being taken over by other people, and they're looking to start accepting crypto for their payments. Now, that could be anywhere within the range of Bitcoin. That could be Ethereum. It could be Doge. That's the main three that I do think they'll end up accepting. There's a lot of demand for companies to accept Doge, and these people know this. So DogeCoin is happening, man. They're going to start accepting what I believe is going to be DogeCoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and it's going to get the market right back on track. And then if you insert Tesla into the equation, that's how you get 100,000 Bitcoin toward the end of the year, guys. So I'm still remaining very bullish on crypto as a whole toward the end of the year. I'm using the RH chart, Robinhood chart. Probably my issue. Yeah, man, I don't really dig the Robinhood charts. the one you currently see on the screen right now is the Webull charts, and I really like their setup, man. I've been trading stocks for a long time, so I'm used to their setup, and that's just the one I prefer to use, man. But I use the Robinhood every now and then, not for technical analysis, just to kind of keep track of the price ticker, something along that lines, man. Dojapalooza, I see you in here, man. Man, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Join our community, man. We'd love to have you. Jamie R, I really enjoy listening to your streams. I know if I have a question you always answer, I will continue to support your channel. Thank you, Jamie R, dude. I really appreciate you as well, man. You are the man, Jamie R. Yes, Ernesto, the bot is working tonight. The bot is working. Guys, I did it again. It is so hard. It's so hard. I need to put a sticker on my computer to say, hit the hotkey to put the screen back on. Sorry about that, man. Thanks for correcting that, because I'd have probably ran on for about 30 minutes without putting the charts back up on the screen, man. I did that last stream, and I was like, man, I got to remember to do that. Thank you, He-Man. Really much appreciate that, brother. Yes, Nesto, appreciate it. OMG, how are you doing? Good to see you in the chat. Really is good to see you. He-Man, I know. I start the stream and then I get excited and I start rambling on and I just forget to hit I got hotkeys set up. So like I got shift 1. See, I can hit shift 1, it'll be right back. Shift 2, go back to live stream. Shift 3, starting. So I start rambling, man. I like to bump my gums a lot, and I get all excited, hop on here, and I just forget to hit the chart screen. So thank you very much for giving me a check, man. Thank you for subscribing, He-Man. Appreciate you, brother. I'll drop a link to the Discord down below, and make sure to join that as well, man. We'd love to have you. Ernesto, when you get that picture in the Discord, man, I'm gonna definitely check it out. Nah, man, that was totally operator error coming across my end. But guys, right now 1916 looks to be the level of support. I could probably raise that up a little bit, get more than 3 touch points right here. But we have major level of support we're just bouncing off of right now, which is very bullish right now because crypto tends to dip on the weekends, guys. So I'm really expecting a big move coming up next week, possibly 2 weeks. But I do expect Doge none the least to be within 20-25 cents between next week. So that is what I'm expecting is already a positive to your portfolio if you're purchasing anywhere between 19-18 cents. I'm not a financial advisor, of course. It's not financial advice. I'm just giving you my own opinions about the type of trades that I will personally be making come shortly, which even right now 1946 would be a good buy. I would like to see if we do get a little bounce right here, start heading back down to test that level of support. But nonetheless, the chart's looking very bullish. Let's pull up the 4-hour chart. So you can see we've been declining for the past couple months. Finally started to get some support right here, down here within the 16 range, and starting to run ever since. So I really do think that crypto is back on track with the news with Amazon. I think there's going to be more news catalysts pumping into Doge, pumping into Ethereum, pumping into Bitcoin. That'll be enough to push DogeCoin, get it back right on track, and get us heading back to $1, guys. OMG, I got the tweet on Discord. Awesome. Appreciate it. Thank you for dropping the link to the Discord. That's very helpful, so I don't have to break away and do that. So thank you, OMG. I like your setup on the right with the pricing. Thank you, He-Man. Can't believe Doge is not ripping with Bitcoin action right now. Yes, it is very surprising. It is, man. You would think Dogecoin would be back in the 20 range already, but nonetheless, I'm still remaining very bullish on it. I think we'll see Ethereum and Bitcoin have some serious momentum heading into the next couple weeks. I think I've been saying anywhere between late June, mid-July. Well, we just crossed that mid-July mark, so if I was a little late to the game, I'll take it, because I'm just so ready for crypto to get back on track. At 34,288, Bitcoin is looking pretty juicy, my friends. 2166, Ethereum is looking really nice from 17 where we came from. So if you'd have bought that major dip like we've been preaching on this channel, if you can, buy the dips and just continue to add to your portfolio when crypto runs. You'll make some good money. If you'd have bought one Ethereum right now, you'd be up a couple $100. I mean, it's just, if you're a small time trader or a big time trader, it doesn't matter. If you're buying the dips and then selling the rips, you're making pretty decent profits, my friends. Ernesto getting ripped on the slots. He-Man, we also have slot games in here. I could throw you some coins if you do want to play. I usually tend to leave the stream up sometimes. So make sure to check that out if you want, man. Doge will wake up. When it does, it'll start. Yes, when Doge starts to actually rip off again, dude, people are going to be FOMOing in. It's going to be crazy like the last time. I fully expect that. I do think it's going to happen throughout the end of the year, man. I think crypto is going to have a major run up to end this bull cycle off and sail off in the year with many profits in my account, man. OMG, how's your hand? It actually feels better today. Thank you for asking. I really appreciate you asking. I've been taking care of it, putting some biofreeze, just trying to relax it. It's just weird because it's my right hand. It's like my dominant hand, so I can't hold my phone with my right hand because it's like my thumb that's messed up. But nonetheless, I'll make it. I should be back good by Monday. It's not swollen anymore. I've been taking some anti-inflammatory medicine and just trying to heal it up so I can get back to work on Monday. But thank you for asking that. I hope everybody's doing good tonight. Is anybody in here sipping on some adult beverages with me? I have a little bit to drink myself. Just wanted to hop on, touch on some charts, talk to everybody. I didn't do a stream last night. I had a lot going on, but I'll keep in touch with everybody in the Discord on the nights that I do not stream. Just letting everybody know. So even right now, DogeCoin's on a little ascending level of support. I could probably pop a pretty nice line. Let me see if I could pop some lines right here. Might be able to get something right here. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Try to get something on here. Let's go with 30-minute. Let's see this. Let me check this out. Put that out there. So we get to, I'll live with that. I'll let that ride for a little bit because I want to see it kind of maybe consolidate right here, trade sideways up into maybe the 26th, 25th, and then look to have a hard bounce. I think we'll have a bounce before then. It's holding that level really well right now, guys. So I really do think DogeCoin is preparing for another leg up, man. We are kind of in a little ascending level of support right here. So if we were to bounce back down below this level of support, you got two levels right here that we'd probably end up bouncing on. So I'm not too concerned. We have strong support, guys. Really strong support around this 19 cent range. So I'm not in the least bit concerned right now. 19 seems to be the floor. You know how the weekends tend to be. We usually end up dipping off into the weekend. And that's usually the time to buy, but usually when we stay steady on the weekends, usually the weeks are pretty good to us. We stair step up, and then we continue stair stepping. So that's what I'm gonna continue to look for. If something changes in the trend, I'll make sure to send out a notification to Discord, let everybody know. But as of right now, I continue Doge to continue to climb. I think you could get us. Our next major level of resistance is right around 1990. I would have to say. You know, it's going to take a little bit of effort pumping DogeCoin above 20 cents again, guys. We're going to hit some tops right here. But it's not unbreakable. Not in the least bit. We get a hard run. We'll be right back over 21 cents. And if we can hold that level of floor, that would be great. That's what you want to see, just this stair step in action. And right now, while DogeCoin is under 20 cents, that's the time that I'm looking to buy right now because it's 5 for 1, guys. If you don't believe Dogecoin is going to $1, then why are you investing in it? Because right now, I believe every coin I buy, I'm getting 5 for 1 deal right there. 5 for 1 deal, my man. Hey, man, where you at like that? It's 420 over there. I got you, man. Okay, no. I was coming off that ramble, man. I understand what you were saying though. That's all good, man. The mango flavor. What's up, Jen? How are you doing, Jen? Good to see you in the chat. My girl on her phone and I'm on mine. That's usually how it goes, man. We chilling at night. Usually how it goes, my man. I like the name He-Man though, cause I like that dude, He-Man. He's a funny dude, man. He's a funny dude, man. But guys, I'm really not concerned the least bit. I hope y'all aren't either. I hope everybody bought the dip. It's looking extra juicy out there, guys. I think we'll have more and more information about Amazon coming out very shortly here within the next couple weeks. Them looking for a crypto expert is absolutely massive news. We also had Shopify, where they have their store owners can actually accept Doge. So that's a big catalyst going to be happening for Doge. Doge is not going to be at 20 cents long. It's just not. Fundamentally, DogeCoin is going to be worth a lot more than what you're seeing right now. And to me, it's a great investment, guys. Like I was preaching AMC at $8, I'm preaching Doge at 19 cents again. And, you know, I just believe in the fundamentals. I believe in the community. I believe in all the people that actually back it. If you look on Twitter, if you look on YouTube, just the community that backs DogeCoin is just so massive. There's no way in my mind that it doesn't rip. And that's along with Ethereum, Bitcoin, ADA. I got my 4 top plays on the screen right there, guys. Do your own research. Do your own DD. Find out what you want to invest in. Those are my top 4 plays on the screen. And they're going to stay that way until I'm proven wrong. My wife asked, why you sound so hyper tonight? I'm just chilling, man. Just chilling. I drank a little cup of coffee earlier. But other than that, man, I'm just sitting back relaxing. Just excited to talk about some crypto, man. I didn't get to stream last night. I was kind of bummed out about that. But nonetheless, I spent some time. Just chilled around the house. Got some stuff done today. You know, just doing the regular stuff, man. I want to buy some AMC with Doge. That would be cool, man. That would be cool. I never thought about that. Buy stocks with crypto. That would be cool, man. That would be freaking awesome. But nonetheless, dude, for everybody wondering, I started using my Coinbase card. Pretty cool, man. It's pretty addicting. Like, I just want to pay for everything with crypto. I mean, it's just cool, man. I hope everybody that been watching me, I've been preaching Coinbase card for getting 4%. Small time investor is the way to go. Add to your XLM position, or you get 1% Bitcoin. I prefer the 4% XLM. The wait list is about 2-3 months, but once you get the card, 4% on every purchase. So make sure to check that out. I'm not getting paid by Coinbase by any means. I'm just trying to help out the average investor to add to their crypto portfolio, because they're going to spend money like their house note, their car note, their light bill, any damn way. So why not get 4% back on your money, guys? All I'm trying to say. He-Man says Musk alone will take Doge higher. I'm a Tesla investor. My best performing investment. Yeah, man. Tesla is a great company to be invested in. Hopefully you got in super early. Hopefully you're making tons of profit, man. I do like me some Tesla. I do like Mavis. I got a buddy of mine. He's a big Tesla bull. Man, just Tesla was looking pretty juicy a couple months ago when it took that dip, man. Let's see where it ended up Friday. I didn't even look at it, but nonetheless, Tesla has their earnings come Monday, man. That's gonna be very interesting to see what happens, man. They usually dip after earnings, so not too bad, but they usually tend to take a dip off right after earnings. So make sure you're paying very close attention to it. But there could be some real good news come out on Tesla come Monday. I'm fully expecting it. I'm not going to be able to stream it live, but there's a channel called Bulldog Trading. He'll be doing it live. Make sure to go check him out. He'll have the screen set up. It'll be a cool time, man. There's a great community over there as well. Make sure to check that out. I'm about to start using mine when I get my Coinbase 1% on Bitcoin or 4% XLM. I'll take it and convert it to Doge. There you go, my brother. Start stacking up that Doge portfolio, man. Ernesto, make sure if you want to watch that Tesla earnings on Monday, check out Bulldog, man. There might be some big crypto news heading into Monday, man. I kind of thought Elon would accept Bitcoin for Tesla at the B-word convention. It didn't happen, but he reinstated that it is going to happen. I do think it will happen very soon. We'll just have to see when it happens. Could it be Monday? 100% yes. It could happen Monday. But will it? We don't know. We'll have to wait and find out. But nonetheless, I'm very, very excited about. I do think it will happen soon, guys. And if you don't have your position by then, I honestly think you're going to miss out on some pretty big, fat tendies, man. If you don't have your position by the time that news breaks. Or if the news about Amazon breaks. Because you know what happens when influx of buyers rush into the crypto market, all your platforms start to freeze. And you might not be able to get that buy-in right away, and you might miss out on 20% profits, you know. It's very possible. We saw SNL, it came down from 74 to 55 before they reinstated, for the trading platforms came back online. So you have to make sure that you're growing your position now before the takeoff, because it's just, you're going to miss out on so much if you can't. But I know people are in tight spots. It's not always, you can't always add every week. You know, every 2 weeks you get paid. Just whenever you can. Just know that if you're buying into DogeCoin, I honestly believe you're getting 5 for 1 right now, guys. So take that with a grain of salt. Take it, do your own DD, do your own research. But we shall see, friends. You already see what Doge was capable of. Ran to 74 cents. We will be back, guys. Mark my words. We will be back, and I will be here reporting about it. Ooh, Ernesto about to break out the crown apple. That sounds like a good time, my friend. Yes, man. Tesla never goes up, even on good earnings. They always shorten Tesla, man. They never learn, man. They never freaking learn. I want to see what Socket Mobile does Monday. Hey, I will put that on my watch list for you, OMG. I will put that on my watch list. Man, what are your AMC thoughts? I'm in the AMC at $4.77 a share. I think you're sitting absolutely beautiful, man. I don't know how many shares you have, but you were buying right when I was buying. So, dude, that is you're probably sitting up so super fat, man. I do think AMC will be back. I can pull it up on the charts real quick. I think I still have some lines drawn. So right now, you see, I thought this week we would have bust back above 40. It didn't happen, man. So it's just being heavily manipulated right now. I do think it's due for a pop. You'll probably get a pop come Monday, at least back to 38. At least back to 38, man. You can see when it hits 31, you have a lot of buying pressure at 31, man. You must have hit 31, I would say 4 times, quite a few times, at least 3. So I would say 31 is the absolute tipping point for it to fall a good bit more back. I'd have to say somewhere around $25. So if you break that $31 level, watch out for 25. That would be your next level of support. So just be very careful with it. You should have a pretty green day out the gate come Monday, but you know how the hedges do. You know how they manipulate the whole entire market, man. So just keep a close eye on it right now. But if you're sitting $4.77 a share, man, you are sitting absolutely beautiful, my friend. I would not be worried in the least bit, especially if you're holding out for the short squeeze, which is still 100% on the table, man. The percentage of short interest is still 18%. Utilization is not as high. Actually, I got Ortex data right here. Sorry, guys, I didn't mean to put that up. Give me a second. Let's pull up some Ortex. I thought I already had it pulled up before the stream. I apologize about that. Pull up some AMC real quick. Check out what the short interest did on Friday. Up 1.76%. Utilization 88%. Cost to borrow is nothing significant. Not really high at all. Shares on loan, we saw that as high as 150 at one point. Still about close to 60 million shares available to loan. But current short interest actually went down 14.51%. So they're playing with it right now, man. But I'm not the least bit concerned about it. Just be aware of those levels I told you about. If you do end up breaking 31, if say we do end up heading south next week, we break 31, your next major level, you might hit some support at 30. But in between 30 and 25, there's not much, man. It didn't live long within that 25 to 30 channel. So just keep a close eye on that. Only 158 shares, but man, that's still some pretty nice profits, man. I'm totally happy for you, man. Happy you making some good money. Aha. Get some free gift cards. So currently right now, Doge 1948, Bitcoin 34,272. Very happy to see Bitcoin above 34,000, guys. I've been waiting for a long time for that. I do think you'll start to see Ethereum start to stair step up as well. 2168. Let's pull up Ethereum on the chart. If you do have some Ethereum, this is one of my other real big holdings. So I do like me some Ethereum, and that is looking pretty bullish, my friends. Look to find that floor, get that bounce right here. 3 touch points right there. You got strong support at 1700 right there. So nonetheless, getting a nice bounce along with the rest of crypto. I would look for a good breakout to get us back above 2280, that major level of resistance. I do think at some point in the next day or two, we'll probably end up going and touch that. Whether if we do come down, get a bounce, I do think we're heading back to that 2280, and that's going to be a major test right there, guys. If we get that break over 2280, there's not too much in the way. You'll find some at 24. You could go back to 24 really quick. You break 2280. So just keep your eye on Ethereum. That's a way to make a couple $100 if you get this technical breakout, which I think all of crypto is heading for, a technical breakout, guys. I really freaking do. And I wouldn't be reporting that if I really didn't truly believe it. But even DogeCoin looks the juiciest of them all because the price is just sitting so low compared to what Bitcoin and Ethereum just did, you know? So even ADA was 103 last week. You could have bought it for $1.03. And sorry, $1.22. Even that would be a good return if you're just doing a swing trade, a day trade, just trying to add to your portfolio. Still a real good way to make some quick bucks, guys. So let's see what we got here on Bitcoin. So right now, 34,971. I think by tomorrow you'll end up getting a test of this. And you get a break right there. You back to 30. I mean, I'd have to say it would jump back to 35.5, 36 pretty quick. So I mean, you could get back on track really fast with crypto right here. I mean, you get this technical breakout above this level of resistance. I mean, we're back to the races, guys. And Dogecoin, Ethereum, all the rest are going to be racing to keep up. You'll get back to seeing 8 around the 150, 160, possibly 180 range. I mean, it's just going to look beautiful for crypto. Probably get Dogecoin back to the 30-cent range. We start seeing these major bump ups on Bitcoin. And it's the weekend, guys, and we're up. So this is very, very good news. Very, very good news. I bought some I bought some Socket Mobile last year at $137 a share. I sold it at $14.10 after it dropped. Some might buy back into it Monday. Awesome, OMG. Socket, you got it for $137. That's amazing. Socket Mobile. Currently sitting at 838. Oh, if you timed it up here in the 14 range, you timed that pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. You timed that pretty well. Good job for you. Good job to you, my friend. So Dogecoin on the 5-minute chart looking very bullish. Starting to see some turn right here around 1949. Look, guys, it could head back. If you're looking to buy in right now, you could get a little bit cheaper. We could go back to retest 1960. Looks to be about 1915, I would say. I would say 1915. You get that little bounce right there again. It's just trying to consolidate right now. I think you're setting up for another rip. Consolidation favors the bulls. Always remember that. Whether you're trading sideways and you have this little ascending level of support, it always supports the bull. Always supports the bulls. Blah, blah, blah. I can't talk right now. Let me get some water. My money maker this week was CMG. What you have with CMG, man? Check it out. Let's see what CMG did. Check out CMG, man. What was this? 720? Oh, wow, man. Hit a low of 1510, 719. That thing just shot up, dude. Wow. I didn't even see that on my radar, man. Very cool, my friend. I'm happy you made hopefully you make a ton of money off of that. So guys, what's y'all thoughts? How y'all feel about crypto? Y'all think crypto's about to run? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what y'all are feeling. I told y'all my opinion. I do think crypto will be back 20-25 cents next week, and I'll be invested accordingly. I do think you'll start to see Bitcoin climb back up, test 35. I do think we'll end up getting that break. I do think Ethereum you'll see back to 2,400 pretty soon. It's just a matter of time. I mean, time is no longer on the short side. I do think everything's going to start to take off between now and the end of the year. We are seeing reports of hyperinflation coming out. Inflation is real, guys. I went to the store today, and it's just the amount of stuff you can buy for $100 is not the same you could buy at this time last year. You got gas prices going through the roof. I do think crypto as a whole is a way you kind of hedge against that hyperinflation. And I do think you'll see start to see the prices rise accordingly, especially when you start seeing Amazon accept crypto. That's going to be major that's going to be big like Tesla. I mean, the amount of people that use Amazon, yeah, there's a lot of people that have Teslas, but not a lot of people that, per se go out to buy Teslas with Bitcoin. You're talking about a mass scale of retail investors buying stuff on Amazon. That's going to be, to me, that'd almost be bigger than Tesla. I mean, it's just my opinion, but I do think, that could push crypto to 60,000, and then Tesla on top of that. That's easily, you could be seeing 100,000 Bitcoin. You could be easily seeing 10,000 Ethereum end of the year. Easy $5 ADA, easy $1 Doge. So we're going to see how it all plays out. That's how I'm thinking it does end up playing out. And we do eventually see 100K Bitcoin toward the end of the year. I think it's going to be an awesome site, man. Check out ACOR. Cool deal. Let me pull it up. See what you're rapping about. Cordia. That's holding a level of support. I wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce here. I would not be surprised to see a bounce. I'll look up the news catalyst and stuff, and I'll get with you in the Discord, but it's holding support really well, and you had a pretty good run up to $6. Could be setting up, consolidating right here, setting up for another rip up. So I'll look further deeper into the company and see what my thoughts are, and I'll let you know in the Discord. Nonetheless, DogeCoin getting some resistance at 1950 right now. See if we can get over that hump. Let me pop that right here. If we don't, we could possibly fall back to put that there. Possibly we'll see it fall back to 1930 before we go get a retest of 1950. That's kind of what I'm thinking is about to happen here in the short term, guys. We'll get a rejection maybe right here, and maybe head down to about the 1940, 1930 range, and then look to bounce to go retest and break out if you don't get a technical breakout right here. So we'll have to see. We'll know in the next few minutes. Crypto will boom in August, in my opinion. I hope you're right, OMG. I hope you are right. The crypto market has been getting flooded. No confidence in the market, preferring the stocks. Yeah, I do think, and I do think a lot of people will be taking their GME, AMC profits into crypto. A lot of people in the Doge, a lot of people in the Bitcoin, Ethereum. You're gonna have a lot of apes running around with a lot of money, my friend. I do think the whole crypto market will start to come back as a whole. But yeah, look, guys, we just got rejected right here. It's looking like big red candle on the 5 minute. So I do expect us to go back to the 1930 range, maybe 36. 36 is looking like a good point to break, to get a good bounce right here. So let's see what happens here. We'll hang out for a few more minutes and see what happens. OMG calling for 24-cent amp when crypto booms. Let's go. I'm all for it. OMG, didn't you add to your amp portfolio? Please let me know. I think I saw that in the chat, in the Discord. So please let me know. He-Man, please join the Discord too, man. You can stay in constant contact with me, anybody in there. We'd love to have you, man. Make sure to check that out. Dow hit a high, but I don't think it will hold very long. Hate to say it, but the market is due for a substantial correction. Exactly my reason for loading up on DogeCoin. I hear you, man. And a lot of people are feeling that same way about the whole entire market, man. They just want out of the stocks. They want out of the manipulation. And crypto's the way to go, man. If you're looking to get away from all that stuff, that's what got me in. Oh, I say that's part of the reason it got me invested in the crypto. The other reason was I could watch the charts 24/7, man. When I first learned about that, I was like, man, it just never ends. Like, it's like a stock market that just goes on forever and ever. So, very cool, man. Very cool. OMG says, yes, she added to her AMP position. I'm very happy for you. I think that'll treat you very well. I'm happy I found that AMP community. They actually call it the Empire. They got a great group of people behind them. And very cool group of people. Just like Doge community. I don't think they're as big, but they're growing. The AMP community is definitely growing. Inflation will hurt the market and help crypto. I do believe it. We saw Kathy Woods at the B word actually confirm it. And it is true. Hyperinflation is going to start to kick in. You're seeing the prices everywhere rise up. It's just, it's not looking good right now, guys. But if you're a crypto investor, you should be very, very excited. Let's see Doge. Let's see if we can get this little bounce. I'm thinking 1936. Let's see what happens here. That's just what I'm seeing on the charts. Yeah, I think 1936 we get a little bounce. That'd be very bullish if we do get the bounce. We could look to retrace back up to 1950 and then possibly get the break right then. Let's see what happens here, guys. I think we'll know in the next 5-minute candle where she's heading. Actually, I'm gonna do a whole stock video for you. I got it coming out. A way to kind of do like some swing trading, but teach you how I look at the charts, kind of give you some new ideas, maybe perspective you didn't look at before with the RSIs, the MACD. I'm getting all that, guys. I'm gonna save it for the video, but make sure to check it out. I'll have it coming out this week, and you can make sure that you get alerted by hitting the bell, and make sure to check that out. It'll be a very informative video about just kind of how to, if you're looking to swing trade crypto to add to your portfolio for your long term. That's currently what I do. I'll swing trade a little bit, make a little profit, take it out. As soon as crypto runs back to a good buying opportunity where I feel, I'll buy in on my long-term position and rebuy on my swing trade portfolio. Works out pretty good. OMG, don't buy live. You already know. I got burnt once before. It won't happen again. Darn Robinhood. They burned me. They burned me good. You live and you learn, though. That's just how it goes. Just how it goes. Jen says, don't remind me last month before I went back to work. I had to go into the longer term pantry. And we've been... Oh, I got you, Jen. I got you, Jen. But let's see if we get a little bounce right here, guys. That'd be good for short term. And hopefully we'll see some price action pumping in. If we get that technical breakout over 1950 right here, let's see where we could possibly end up at. A lot of resistance right there. If we get that technical breakout, I mean, the next 10 cents, you would start to see resistance. So it's going to take quite a heavy move to get Dogecoin back above that 20 cent range and actually hold it. lot of levels of resistance right here. I'm not going to map them all out, but we get a little breakout right here, we could have a nice little run up, guys. It should get very interesting once we break 1980. I'm going to put a line right there because 1980 is the breakout. I do think you'll probably end up seeing 20 cents if we get that break over 1980. Just remember this, inflation does not affect the big guys like it does everyday retail trader. This is why you buy and hold. These greedy Wall Street thugs will always feed the market. Yeah, man, they have to feed the market. This is their lifeline. That's how they make their money. It's just when you enter a bear market like that in the stock market, you have to take 5-10%. You have to run, my friend. You have to take that as a good day, because when the bear market comes, and mark my word, it will come, that's when the trading gets rough. And grind gets really rough. I mean, 5% is a good day. Take it and run, and take it to the bank, my friend. Hey, at least I had to get me through a lean time. It's what it was made for, so I can't be mad. It just means I got you, Jen. What's the fear index? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Everybody that's new, we like to look at the crypto fear and greed index. It's a little chart you can just Google. Kind of gives you a sentiment about what the market's doing. As of right now, it's at 27, so it's coming up a little bit. The lower this needle is the lower the number, the more fear in the market. It just tells you a whole crypto as a whole, what the whole market is kind of feeling. So yesterday it was 22, so you can see the fear is actually going away a little bit. Extreme fear was last week. Last month we had fear. Let's check it out right here. It can tell you right here. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. This could be buying opportunity because you want to buy when a lot of people are panicking and selling. You don't want to be, you want to be buying when people are panicking. That's just the way it goes. Like you want to be in that position to say, all right, cool. People are freaking out. They're panic selling. Well, by the time you're panic selling, the big investors and the smart investors are actually buying it as you're selling and walking away. And the price is going to run back up, and then you're going to FOMO back in, and it just leads to like this little loop that you can get stuck in. And most people never get out that loop. They'll end up walking away from crypto forever, walking away from stocks forever, and not realizing the opportunity that they had, that if they just stuck around, did their own research to try to learn the charts, learn how to read the RSIs, learn how to just get the overall trends. Don't give up. Just if you get beat down, of course you're going to lose on a play. Not everybody hits it 100% every play. If you do know that guy, please give me his number. I would love to talk to him, because it's bloody right now. And I do think we're starting to see this correction that we've been waiting on. So let's hope it is, guys. I really hope it is. But it says right here, too, when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And that is what we saw back in, pull it up right here. You saw that back when we were having that bull run. You can see that number is real high. That's saying there's way more greed in the market, and it's due for a correction. So I would say anything around 50 to 75, you start getting in some pretty high territories for a correction, guys. So we will keep a real close eye on that nonetheless. But let's see what DogeCoin does right here. 1939. I'm expecting a little bounce at 1936. Just from what I'm seeing at the charts, maybe 1935, but we should have a bounce right there. Let's see if we get a hard bounce, and that'd be a best case scenario right now. But if Bitcoin's taking a little dump, crypto market's taking a little dump tonight, nothing you can do about support and resistance lines too much in the short term off the 5-minute. But the way it's looking, we should get a bounce right here. So let's see what happens. Stay diversified. That is the key, man. You already know, my brother. You have to stay diversified. I gotta take a break, guys. Great channel. Thank you, He-Man. Always appreciate you tuning in, man. Thank you for subbing. Hope you hopped in the Discord, man. I will talk to you soon, my buddy. OMG says, the person. They're not telling you the truth. You're 100% correct. 100% correct. And I hope I'm 100% correct about this 1936 bounce we're about to get, guys. Let's see what happens right here. Could it be 1938? I hope so. That would look even better. But as I'm seeing it, 1936 to 35 would be a bounce point on the short term. I know I'm just kind of critiquing crypto on the 5-minute chart, but look, guys, there's not really a lot going on. We do have Bitcoin above 34 too. It's just right now, if you're looking for entry points, which we're testing level of support right here, 1936. Let's see if we do end up getting that technical break to where we can bounce back to the upside, which would look very good. If we do get the break right here, we bounce back up, we could easily go back up to test 1950. But let's see what happens right here. So on the 5-minute chart, we're testing a pretty good level of support right here. A bounce right here would look very nice. Oh, we're seeing 1934. Wow. Wow. Totally smashed that level of support. Wow. All you can do is laugh. Holy. Yep, that was not we didn't hold that one, guys. I'm sorry, man, that's funny. I'm sitting there preaching 1935 is a major, and then boom, getting a big red candle. But it's all good. Nonetheless, I do expect us to go back and retest 1950. We'll have to see how that plays out, but big red candle on that. Almost like that's meant, like that's a whale doing that, man, because they saw these touch points at 1935. They know what's happening. You got a lot of support at 1935, especially on the 5-minute, and they just dropped it. So you could potentially see a retest of 1915, guys. Continue to head down and just try to trade within this channel. I do hope somewhere soon we'll end up getting a bounce back, start heading up to 1950 again, and get that technical breakout. I do think it's happening soon. Yeah, OMG, we didn't get it. Did not get it. Guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get a refill on the water. I will be right back. Just sit tight. I'll be back in a few minutes, and I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, I'm back. Thanks for hanging tight. I had to go get a sip of water real quick. I'm back on the track. We're getting a little nice green bounce. Good to see that in the short term. Yep, looking for a good little pop. I do think we're going to get that technical breakout come shortly, guys. We're starting a new day on crypto. Let's see if we can start the day out green. Be a nice day, nice Sunday. But nonetheless, I do think crypto next week will be back on track. Be looking pretty healthy. DogeCoin between 20 to 25 cents incoming. I do think we'll start to get those technical breakouts. What's up, Ernesto? What you doing, man? You sipping on some Crown, hitting the gambling, man? I haven't talked to Whiskey today. Did y'all talk to him? You need to get in touch with that dude and see what he's been doing. Need to get in touch with him. Let me see. I got some notifications coming in. All right, I had to check that out. So, guys, let's hopefully we do get back on track. Hopefully today will be a lot better day. Hopefully we'll end up getting a break above 20 cents on Doge, get some price action movement. We're just kind of trading sideways right now, which consolidation favors the bulls, guys. I'm not too big concerned. Trading sideways since the B word when we had that for pretty good pop, and I still think everything's right back on track, guys. So I just wanted to tune in with y'all, let y'all know some pretty good levels of support resistance in the short term, which if we don't hold this, we'll probably get a retest at 915. But I do think heading into next week, we'll get that technical breakout over 1950, head back up between this channel of 1950 and 1980, and that'd be a next level to break out of. But it can happen very quickly, guys. As fast as crypto goes down, crypto can go up. Looks like these two 5-minute candles back to back could be like a little false break. Hopefully, we continue to trade sideways somewhere within this level of support we're seeing right here, and continue to pop up and head north, guys. Really think it's happening soon. I don't think it's going to be too much longer, guys. We're approaching August very shortly. Next week and a half. So, get out these summer months, where summer months are typically not too good for crypto. And I do think we'll be right back on track. Yeah, man, it's 12 a.m. your time. It's getting a little late, man. Getting a little late. What's Bitcoin have to hit to go up more? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So right now, these are all levels that I've drawn way back. I didn't move them around. 34,970 was a major level, so we'll probably see some resistance right there. You can see we hit 34,516, kind of bounced down, but we're coming back up. We're coming back up. I think you see that breakout over 34,970. You'll see some tops around 36.5, probably 35.5. You might see a little resistance. So we still got some stair stepping left to do. If we can break above 34,970, that'd be a big key breakout for Bitcoin right there to get us back trading in this channel. If we can kind of find some footing somewhere in between, kind of ride that middle. Your next major level, I'm talking, is 39.9. So that could happen very quickly, guys. We just need a little news pumping in. But 36 right now, 34,971, major level of support. Resistance that we need to break through. And you see that we could have a nice little movement for the rest of the crypto market, putting Ethereum back to 23, 2400, putting Dogecoin back in the 30 cent range, And hopefully that will happen this week, guys. I'm very, very bullish on crypto right now, just with the turnaround that I think we're finally seeing, this reversal we've been talking about for weeks now. We've been talking about dips for 2-3 months. I'm sick of it, tired of it. I want to reverse. What's happening, Thomas Harris, dude? How you doing, my boy? Thomas, are you in the Discord, man? I don't recall you being in there. I would love for you to join up, man. If you could download it, you can stay in touch with us during the day. It'd be great to have you, my friend. Thomas Harris says, I could see Doge at 23 cents tomorrow. Man, it could happen, man. It could happen really quick. We're just waiting on this technical breakout. Let me put my Doge back up of 1950. We could see a pretty good little spike, get us back in this channel right here. And then from there, if we get a lot of volume pumping in, dude, 23 cents could happen pretty quick next week, man. Pretty quick. 2047 is the ultimate level we need to hop over right now, because we do have a top right here at 20 cents. So we're going to hit some bumps along the way, guys. It's not going to be right away. But today, being that the new day has started, I'm talking about from when you wake up and that point on, if crypto continue to creep its way up, keep testing at get above 1950, start testing that 1980, start breaking that wall down, and then ultimately stay above 20 cents next week and try to consolidate, we'll definitely see a nice little rip. I bought enough of the dip, time to go up. You're right, OMG. I'm tired of talking about these dips. Look, there we go. 1950, I just saw it. Getting some big green candles pumping in the Doge, getting above that level. That's what I like to see. I just want to see a 5-minute candle open and close above that, and that would signal to me a break in the trend, and we'll be trading within that channel of 1950 to 1980, and then I think we'll start to head north to go break down that 1980 wall. Let's see what happens, guys. We need to hold this right here. This would be awesome if we hold this 1950. It'd be great to see short term. But you see how quick that can happen. Like I was just talking, we were sitting at 19. What was it? The low of this candle? 1930. No, it's saying 26. I didn't see 26. Maybe it did. Maybe when I walked away to go grab some water. But nonetheless, within 5 minutes, you get a pop right above that level of resistance. So very good. Very good in the short term. Let's continue this climb. That's what I want to see with all of crypto. Thank you for posting to this Discord, OMG. I really appreciate you. Thomas Harris, make sure to join the Discord, man. We'd love to have you in there, my friend. Thank you, OMG, for also setting me up with the bot that sends out my tweets automatically so I don't have to alert everybody in the Discord. That really helps out. So thank you very much for the support. Really cool tool. I didn't know they had that. So learn something new every day. This would be very good if we hold this for the short term heading into the rest of the day, guys. 1950, and we're starting that next 5-minute candle. Let's see if we can actually hold this, get some more green buying pressure stepping in. You probably got China weak right now. That part of the world, they're kind of probably got the reins on the whole market, just with buying and selling right now. So let's see how they're feeling today. Let's keep it above 1950 and start heading up, guys. That's what we would love to see. Nesto, I'm tired of the dip. Time for the main course meal. I'm with you, my friend. It's coming, man. It is coming. So, guys, on a short-term technical level, if I would be seeing this right now, like sometimes when you get a technical break above 1950 would be, you can have a pretty good run-up. As of right now, you'd probably hit some resistance around 1960. So that wouldn't be a too big of a major run up, but like if you have a lot of volume pumping in like you did for the B word, if you would see that technical break, that would lead you into some pretty good Tindy Town profits right there, my friend. But as of right now, being as late at night, midnight in America for most folks, these breakouts don't really happen too much at night. I I mean, sometimes you can have the whales doing their thing and you'll wake up, it'll be 5-10 cents more than whatever it was. But most of the time, you'll hit these levels of resistance unless you have major buyers stepping in. And right now, it's just kind of trading sideways. Probably some swing traders just trying to make some money right now. It's just pretty flat line. But in a sense, you're trading sideways, consolidating. Consolidation favors the bulls. Always remember that. If the charts look bearish, I will definitely let you know. But this signal right here, these two back-to-back, you're not opening and closing over 1950. To me, that signals almost a false break, which means it's probably not, the break's not going to happen right now. You'll probably go back to retest, but it's looking very bullish. I think very shortly we'll end up getting a full break over 1950 and holding that level for heading into the rest of the day today. Even AMP popped a bit with that spike. Yeah, I'm about to check out some AMP prices. Ever since I met the AMP community, they gave me that free AMP that I handed out to everybody. I'm adding to my AMP portfolio as well. It's kind of like the PayPal of crypto. It works with all crypto across the board. So it's not just signified to one crypto. It works with all cryptos. A very cool community. It does have a backing, pretty big backing. I didn't think so. They're called the Empire. That's the name of their group. And you can look them up on Twitter. Pretty big following. Yeah, those bots are a great stream boost. Yeah, especially for Discord. They can do all kind of stuff. China seems to get in around midnight Colorado time, which would put that, I'm central, so right now, OMG, it's probably 10 o'clock your time, right? Does that sound about correct? Jen says, dip is good, but I'm running out of chips. I hear you. People get tired of talking about dips for too long. But I don't think crypto's done the least bit for the rest of the year. I think we'll see some nice price movement coming here shortly, guys. So many dips, I had to double dip the chip. Yeah, it's accumulation period right now. That's all it is. Like, if you're accumulating off these dips, you're gonna be sitting really nice when this next little bull cycle, I say bull cycle when the bull cycle finishes this year, because we're still in it. We're just seeing a lot of bearish activity in it, guys. You got it, Jen. That's more flavor that way. So 10 o'clock your time, that's another 2 hours away. So that would be, it's 11 my time, about 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, that tends to be right, because usually around 1 o'clock, you do see some nice little rips. And like, I'm usually sleeping at that time. So when I wake up the next morning, I'm like, oh no, Doge ran, 75 cents. Like, it happened at 1 o'clock in the morning. Usually that's the time it happens. So I will agree with you on that. Usually when I see it, it's about 1 o'clock my time, which is Central Standard Time. So let's see what happens. We'll definitely see what happens. Guys, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Greatly helps support the channel. I love meeting new people. I think the best part of doing this whole YouTube thing is actually just the people you get to meet and greet along the way. Just the community that you get to interact with. It's just really awesome. And you're going to see the real effects of crypto as a whole. When crypto starts to massively run up again, you start seeing Bitcoin 50,000. You'll start seeing that. All the FOMO again. You're just one major news catalyst away from it all. Whether that's Amazon, Tesla, who knows? This Shopify thing with Doge could be a catalyst for Doge to push it back to 30-35 cents. Nonetheless, I do think end of the year you'll be looking at $1 Dogecoin. Honestly, do, guys. We saw 74 cents back a couple months ago. It is 100% possible. And if you don't believe that, just look at the run-up that it just actually had. Yeah, when I'm heading to bed around 4 a.m. Eastern, it's a dog running in the middle of the night. Yep, that's how it tends to happen. It'll make some major moves while everybody's sleeping, and you miss out on everything. But Bitcoin taking a little bit of Taking a little bit of red. Hopping 34.103. Taking Doge with it. But nothing I'm too concerned about. Really not. Doge still hanging tight. Barely green on the brand new day. That will probably get reversed here. And you might end up getting a retest of 1915, guys. So just watch for that. And just say worst case scenario, we do go back to retest 1915 and you do get a break. I don't think we will. I really don't. I think we'll get a hard bounce again. Continue to trade sideways, especially heading into the new week. But if you do get that break, your next major level of support is 19 cents. Major level. I could zoom back, but they have so many tops at 19. And that's what you want to do when you're lining up your technical setup for your charts, for your horizontal lines. You want to get at least 3 touch points on any way where you pop in a line. And you could go back and count so many lines on Doge at 19 cents. It's a major level of support. And I don't think we'll end up breaking that, guys. I really don't. Because China and Europe is awake then. Yep. That's who's kind of doing most of the trading right now. Unless you have some whales up in America just sitting up making some cash. Most of your buying and selling pressure is coming from overseas right now. So you can kind of see how the market's reacting over there. I'll see how the rest of the day plays out. But I do think once America starts waking up, if you do see these nice little juicy dip around 9.15, I think you could see a bounce, and that could possibly happen around 1 o'clock in the morning. By the time we do my time, 1 o'clock Central Time, where we've been talking about where we see these nice little pops. So very, very possible. Very, very possible, guys. But it's hanging in there. I mean, they're just riding a fine line right now. The brand new day started. So you're going to see some red, green swapping between the two numbers. But I think we'll definitely get these levels of support and get some nice bounces going on the short term. Doge still hanging around 1938. We kind of talked about that 1935, 36 level. So okay, hang around there. Go back up to test 1950. We'll be sitting fine, my friends. So I hope each and every one of y'all are having a great week, great weekend. I hope crypto is going to treat us all really well this weekend. And hopefully get back on track to start the brand new week. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm getting a phone call. Let me go take this real quick. I will be right back. All right, sorry about that, guys. Had to make sure everything was good on the home front. Yeah, OMG, for being the weekend is definitely doing good. Definitely faring up well. Crypto definitely does tank on the weekends in general. We've been seeing that for months that we've been streaming on this channel. Every weekend, every Saturday, crypto would just take a hard dip. And it's Saturday, lo and behold, but I think we'll be all right. Everything's looking pretty decent right now. Dogecoin 1942. Bitcoin just hopped above 34.2. Testing that right now. I think Doge will get a test of 1950. Let's see what happens here, guys. $19.45 on Doge. Give me 1 second. right, guys, sorry about that. Whoa! What just happened right here? Maybe I need to walk away, because that is some major green candles. Whoa! That's what I'm talking about, guys. As fast as crypto dips, crypto can rip. I just walked away for 5 minutes, and wow. Let me check the comments. Yes, I'm missing a giant green candle. Wow. Dude, we've been talking about it. I did think we would get a technical breakout today, and we're seeing a nice technical breakout right here. We just blew past 1980. This is super bullish, guys. Super bullish. Oh, wow, Jen, that many have wallets moving? That's crazy. He's going to come back and poop himself. I definitely just came back and pooped myself. I did not expect that. That was cool. Let's see if we can hold this 1980 right here. That'd be the big test right here. Go all the way back up to 20 cents, guys. That's what I'm talking about. As fast as crypto can dip, it can rip, man. And we're sitting just beautiful right here. If we can hold this 1980, it'd be very nice. Very nice. He can lead more often. I can go back and step away. Hopefully it'll ride back up to 74 cents if I walk away for 15 minutes the way that just happened. Holy cow. That is crazy. I mean, guys, I came on wanting to talk tonight about technical breakouts because the way the chart was lining up, it was looking for a technical breakout. This is a massive candle. I mean, you're just looking on the 5-minute, but that is a massive candle. You just blew past 1950, past 1980. That's 2 levels of resistance, major resistance that we need to pop up back above 20 cents. So let's get this hold right here. Let's continue to grow for the rest of the week, guys. That's the best case scenario. That's funny. Oh, did he tweet, man? I have to check it out. Elon tweet made it spike. Let's check it out, man. Let's see what he was talking about. Doge's money. I firmly believe that they just have people hanging out waiting for tweets. Give me 1 second. Let me just pop this down because I don't want people seeing my login information. Bear with me for a second. What are you trying to tell me? That I can make a lot of money with DogeCoin? No, Neo. I'm trying to tell you that DogeCoin is money. Boom! Head explosion. That is cool, man. That is cool. The power of a tweet. That was 11:23. Exactly the time I stepped away. That's crazy. The power that dude has over crypto. So you probably will see it come back down. I mean, that's just a major spike from people buying that tweet. Let's see what happens here in 1980. I can add Elon's tweets to the bot. Yeah, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. I saw most of his tweets were like liking, I think it tells you when people like something or do that. I think most of the tweets were like liking Tesla stuff, which we do have the Tesla earnings coming up Monday, which I will link down in the description below. Right after this video, I'll put Bulldog's Trading in there. Make sure you go hang out with that guy. He's going to have it all set up on his platform, and he has a great community as well. Eventually, I will be trying to get some extra people to help out on the channel, be some broadcasters, possibly cover the stock. I'm not currently able to do that with my day job, but I would like to have somebody cover the stock and I cover the crypto maybe. I'm trying to head into that avenue to try to grow the channel even more. So, but nonetheless, I really appreciate the community that we have, and y'all guys are great. Y'all really are. Y'all make my day. 1985 on DogeCoin, Bitcoin 34,340. Nice little pop. I do think we'll see 35 Bitcoin coming up here shortly. Just remember 34,970 is that major level of resistance on Bitcoin that I'm seeing on my charts. So I do think that will be the next major hurdle for Bitcoin to hop over. Ethereum's going to follow suit. I'm not too worried about the supports on Ethereum. I think Ethereum's going to be back to 2,400 this week, guys. I really do. Really think it's coming fast. But Doge about to hit that 20-cent mark again. Looking very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. Give me 1 second. I'm getting a notification real quick. Alright guys, I'm back. I had to check something on my phone real quick. But that's what we're talking about, guys. When you're looking for a technical breakout, when you're seeing it happening in the charts, you finally get to see it, man. It feels good. It feels really, really good. See, man, I missed these Saturday night live streams, man. I did too, man. I really wanted to stream last night, guys, but everybody needs a break. I was really, really grinding really hard trying to grow the channel. And I think all of that's going to start to come to fruition, come very shortly, guys. I've been working extremely hard. I got some interviews lined up. I got some stuff cooking. I'm going to keep y'all on the loop. We need to hold a Discord meeting pretty soon, like in the voice channel, so everybody can get together, talk, we can come up with some ideas. I'll run by y'all what I got cooking up, keep y'all in the loop to let y'all know. But nonetheless, I've been grinding extremely, extremely hard, guys. Really hard. Oh, thank you, OMG. Appreciate you very much. Oh, yeah. The 30-cent spike. Yeah, I miss those nights. Like that day I woke up and we could never get over 50 cents. I went to sleep. It was 39, 40 cents. The first time we ever broke 50. That was after we ran up to 47, came back down to 19, started climbing our way back up. And I remember that night I went to bed and I was like, man, we just can't get over 50 cents. I woke up, it was 60 cents. I was like, man, that's just how fast crypto can react, you know? It really can, but nothing keeps running forever, guys. You have to remember that. There will be pullbacks along the way, but the way I was looking at the charts today, I was really, really looking for a technical breakout, and we're finally seeing that. Let's pull up the Bitcoin chart. Bear with me for a second. Let me get the chart set up pretty. So, I mean, same green candle right there. I didn't have all the lines drawn that I should have had on here. But 30. Let's go with that. Look at that, guys. Big green pumping in right now on Bitcoin. And that's honestly close to where I was going to pop this line at right here. So we're testing a major, major level. And I say that because I'm going off this top, and this top right here. So you can see how you can pop that line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get, 5 touch points. That's a pretty good level right there. So you get it's getting rejected off of that. But nonetheless, you get the picture when you pop in your lines, kind of give you an idea. I wouldn't want to necessarily purchase right here unless we do get this technical breakout. If you get that break, that'd be a pretty decent buy on some Bitcoin, guys. mean, once you get this little break right here, I think you'll be back up to 34,971 right there. But not a lot of people trade Bitcoin. It's so expensive, man. I mean, it's, you know, if you're in it, you're in it. But I understand the retail investors don't have that type of money just to invest into Bitcoin. Oh, the bot has an 8-ball too? Awesome. What's happening, Madam? Get her done, Doge. Hey, man, technical breakouts are happening. They are happening, my friend. Now we just got to hold these levels of resistance, which we should now treat as support. And we're off to the races, my friend. Off to the races. This crown is kicking in right now. I'm sure it is, Ernesto. I'm sure it is, my buddy. How's it going, Madam? I haven't seen you in a while, brother. Hope you're doing well. Hope you've been making some money in the market. AMC didn't treat us as well as we wanted to last week, my friend. But nonetheless, it'll be okay. Let's drop Ernesto's command in the chat. If I still have it right. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. I'm going to be doing that whole chart video coming out this week. Hope y'all enjoy it. I forgot what the command was. I'm going to have to go back in and... Yeah, that was it. That's funny. I can change it, though, for you, OMG. Definitely. But, guys, right now, 1980 would be a major level for the support that we just broke through on that resistance line. So let's see if we can hold that. And looking into that, if we can kind of just pop up, trace some sideways right here above this level, and get ready for another leg up, I think we'll be sitting just fine and go back and retest 2047, get that break, and then from then on, let's see where we at. You know, easily back to 23 cents, guys. Thomas Harris was in here talking about 23 cents earlier. I think we get this technical and one more technical breakout, and we're off to the races, guys. We're right back up to 23 cents. And that's some pretty good bang for your buck right now if you're looking to buy around 19 cents, which I don't think we'll be seeing these prices for too much longer, guys. I really don't. I think crypto's back on track. One big news catalyst away from absolutely ripping, guys. And it's looking very bullish out there right now. Probably going to form a pretty good bull flag right now. Try to consolidate. That's what I'm kind of seeing. Let's hope we can continue with these levels of support, consolidation, and rip up. That's what we can hope to continue, guys. That's funny, man. That is hilarious, man. Bought a car this week with my option profits. Hell yeah, man. Now my project car is a project, not a daily driver. That's cool, man. Very happy for you, man. Matt M, the options man. Maybe I need to step away for a little bit. Watch another massive green candle just creep up on me. I thought that was pretty funny in the comments. I bet you he's going to poop himself when he comes back. That was pretty funny, guys. Thanks for cracking me up. You guys are funny. Ernesto, you better hop on that Smash Brothers with him. I love me some Super Smash Brothers. Another good little green candle popping in right now. Will we get another break above 2007? That'd be the way to go. Continue this uptrend. It's looking very bullish, guys. I started the video with DogeCoin about to rip, talking about technical breakouts, and we finally got one. Feels good, man. Feels real good. Yes, I kind of did. I was not expecting that. I was expecting a technical breakout, but I was sitting there talking about 1935 to y'all, and we just saw those big red candles just come in, and I'm like, okay, I gotta be right back. Come back to see this. That was pretty awesome. I thought it was coming tonight, and I'm not always correct, but with the charts we're looking, I was waiting for a good breakout, and that is a beautiful green candle right here, my friends. Beautiful green candle. Let's see if we can get above 20 cents right here. I think Bitcoin as a whole is going to be heading back to 34,970, that major level of resistance. I do think we'll get a test here probably today, guys. Probably today. If we start seeing that, we can easily see DogeCoin back to 23 cents this week. So just keep that in mind. Another pop coming? I sure hope so. That'd be beautiful right now. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, OMG. I hope all is well with you, Madam. I really do, man. But guys, we could be seeing another major pop right here. This would be awesome. Let me shoot out a text to my boy real quick. Yep, Madden, you sure did, man. You were calling, it was gonna run, dude. The way the charts were lined up, dude, I knew a technical breakout was very, very possible. Nothing's guaranteed in the market at all, but dude, the way I was seeing the charts, that's why I wanted to hurry up and hop on. I was looking, I was just waiting for a technical breakout, dude, above that 1950, and we got it. And you can see we absolutely blew past 1981. And you know, I thought once we got it right above 20 would be a little bump in the road, but after that, you're looking around. Not much in the way, guys. Not much in the way to head back to 2047. Not as much in the way that you had between 1950 and 1981. So, could you get a technical breakout right here? Definitely. It's looking like we might get a break. Let's see what the next couple 5-minute candles look like. See if we can actually get that pop right above it. Once you pop, the fun don't stop. That's it. That's the name of the game. Once again, thanks each and every one of y'all for tuning in with me tonight. I appreciate each and every one of you. Really do. Hope life is treating you well. Hope y'all had a good supper tonight. I ate some shrimp fettuccine. It was pretty good. And I might go snack on some cereal right after this in a little bit. Me, I'm always hungry. Always hungry. Currently trading 1995 right now, 34,442. Bitcoin, Ethereum 2171. ADA back above 123. Looking very good, guys. Very, very good. I do think we saw the reversal with the B Word conference. I do think crypto is back on track. And like I said earlier with the Amazon news, you could potentially, see a pretty good pop just with Amazon alone. Bitcoin back to 50, 60,000. And if you add Tesla on top of that, that could just compound it to get to where a lot of people were thinking 100,000 Bitcoin end of the year. $1 Doge, anywhere between 7, 8 to 10,000 Ethereum, 4, 5, anywhere from $5 to $10 ADA. I mean, it's very possible, guys. This bull cycle is not done with. Not done with at all. So, we'll see what happens the rest of the night, guys. I think Doge will probably end up trying to consolidate somewhere within this range. Hopefully we hold this 1980 level of support. If we don't, we'll be back in this channel right here. You already know what it is. 1950 is probably going to be a pretty big level of support. So if we do break this, guys, it's not going to be the end of the world heading into the week. I just really think 1950 is going to be pretty much the floor right now. Anything can happen. I mean, news catalysts come out, could definitely break that trend. But if we just continue to stroll along like we are right now, we end up breaking below 1980 again. I do think 1950 is a really, really strong support. We had trouble getting over 1950, guys, and we lived there shortly, underneath it, popped above it, ran, got rejected at 1980. That was a major level of resistance just a couple hours ago, guys. A couple of hours ago, and we're retesting that right now and looking maybe like it might get a bounce. Hopefully it does. But once you pass a level of resistance, it then becomes support. So that's why you see in this fight right here. So let's see what happens in the short term. Nonetheless, up 2.5% on the day, looking absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Just looking at the charts, want to see the next 5-minute candle be green. That'd be a pretty good pop. I want to see the next candle be green. To me, that would almost signify a nice little bull flag on the 5-minute. Fighting for 1980 right now. It's holding it. Looks to be holding it. Yeah, it was a pretty major level right here, dude. 1980 was really hard to get over right here. So if we do get knocked beneath it, I'm not gonna be too concerned. 1950, strong level, really strong. It took a lot to get over 1950. 1982, so let's hope we get a little bounce right here, guys. Continue this nice little trend. Yes, I do need more water. Actually, when I got up last time, I left my water wherever I went. So 1982 right now. I'm waiting for this next 5-minute candle to pop right off. Let's see what happens. I'll be right back, guys. Let me go grab that water real quick. When you sit here and you talk all night, your mouth, you get a little parched. Not gonna lie. Yes, I'm gonna go get me some more water so DogeCoin can absolutely rip again. So I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Thanks for hanging tight. I missed a little heist. Missed out on the action. Doge still 1983. Didn't get that big pop. Nonetheless, still looking very good. Good to see a little green candle right here. Let me pull back up them tweets because I was just glancing right back. He must be on a Matrix series right now. When your phone dies and you take a look around you. That's pretty funny. Also saw this one 51 minutes ago. What scares you the most? Werewolves. What scares you the most? Sharks. What scares you the most? The unstoppable marching of time that is slowly guiding us towards our inevitable death. It's pretty funny. I think I've seen that one before, but he's on some stuff tonight, man. He is definitely out. Whatever he's doing, he is heavy on Twitter right now, guys. Heavy on Twitter. Oh, you trying to duel me, bro? I think that crown got you extra confident tonight, my friend. I'm not scared, though. I am not scared, my friend. Let me get this in here real quick. Get another retest of 1980, looks like. Let's keep that candle green, guys. My favorite is the one from 17 hours ago. Go down, the lady and the dog one. Let's check it out. My wife. People see. Let me pop this up. Me 8 beers deep. People say you can't trust the government. Yeah, he's right. Oh, I remember riding in the back of the truck. Come on, guys. I know y'all remember riding in the back of the truck. I know I did. To bring back some memories. Yeah, a lot of SpaceX stuff. Saw from a couple of days ago. Yeah, I saw that little space Cybertruck commercial. Not commercial, but a little video somebody made. Pretty cool. Definitely looks like the little Halo car. The bulletproof Cybertruck. Definitely cool stuff going on with Tesla. Can't wait to see what the earnings actually pull out come Monday. I think it's going to be very cool. My man Bulldog Trading, like the video. Thank you very much, my friend. Appreciate you very much. Y'all make sure to check him out. I'm going to put the link down in the description. Monday he'll be revealing the Tesla earnings on his channel. Definitely cool. Definitely check him out. Great community. Great group of people. You'll probably hear me say that 10 more times on this stream, but man, I really like his community, man. Really good group of people. That's the thing when you're trying to expand yourself and you go out and you meet new people. The way you go about it, you don't just hop in people's stuff and be like, "Hey, check out Matt's Market, come subscribe." No, you actually, you gotta take time, get to know the Doge Army, get to know everybody else in the communities that you're actually interacting with, and that's how you grow. You don't just expect natural stardom overnight. We'll continue to grind, continue to work it out. Nonetheless, I greatly appreciate each and every subscriber I get. Y'all honestly just make my day. Make it a lot easier for me to come on these live streams, talk with y'all. It was great back when we were seeing these 20, 30 cent rises in Doge, but we'll get back there, guys, and you'll see everything start to pick up here very shortly, I believe. Honestly think we'll be right back on track. Yeah, me and him actually did a little interview on. He brought me on his channel the other night. I'll post that in the Discord down below. We had a very good conversation about crypto. I had fun. I had a blast. So I'll be checking out that on Monday for the Tesla earnings, because like I said, I'll be at work. But I definitely want to see what happens with the Tesla earnings. Could be a major news for crypto catalyst too. It could change in a second, guys. Remember that. Tesla says, hey, we're accepting Bitcoin. Boom. Go to the moon. I mean, it's just how it's going to happen, man. It's going to happen really fast. If you don't have your position, you're going to miss out on some pretty nice profits, and you're going to be FOMOing in. And then to top that off, we get the Amazon news this year. That's your catalyst for 100,000 Bitcoin right there. Nesto says, I've been here since 10 cent Doge and hasn't left yet. I've been rocking ever since, man. You know who I haven't talked to in a long time? That dude, SJ. I don't know what happened to him. That was my boy, though. That was when I first started streaming. There was a couple of y'all were in there, and like that was like my boys. I don't know what happened to him. I know he bought a lot of AMC real cheap and probably made a lot of money. So he's who knows, man. I haven't talked to that dude in a while. Oh, Bulldog, I know you're still in here, man. Anytime, my brother. It was a blast, dude. We had a great conversation. Like I said, everybody, I'll post that video in the Discord. Y'all go check it out. Me and him were chatting up some crypto. I learned a lot about him, dude. He's been in crypto for a long time, longer than I have. And he just knows a whole lot. And very cool, man. Very cool. OMG said, where Luke? Who knows where Luke's at? Luke's probably not allowed to get on YouTube anymore. And for all y'all that don't know who Luke is, when Doge was ripping, we had this dude named Luke. And he was pretty active in the community. Like, he was coming in every night talking to us and stuff. And then one night, some chick popped in the chat and she's like, is Luke here? And I guess it was his wife or something, because right before that, he had popped in talking about spending a whole bunch of money on crypto. And his wife popped in and we never heard from the dude again. So that was pretty funny. Who knows what happened to him? Who knows? And that's Luke probably 6 feet under. Wouldn't be surprised, man. Because he came in here talking about spending like 50 grand or something. And shortly after that, his wife popped in here, man. It was pretty funny. So, guys, looks like we're getting that break below 1980. That level of support we're just about looking to hold. But nonetheless, 1950, heavy level, guys. Really heavy. That took a lot to break through that. I think that's going to treat us well. Hopefully, that'll be the floor if we do get a retest. But nonetheless, hopefully we can ride the top end of this little channel we'll be trading in and get a nice little pop above 1980 to go retest that 2007 range, and that'll be the next technical breakout. But I'm really happy that it actually held true, because when I made the title of the video, I was like, the way the chart's looking to me, we're about to get a technical breakout, and boom, lo and behold, it happened. I'm sorry I walked away for a few minutes when it happened. But nonetheless, it was cool to come back to where I could poop my pants. And it was very fun, nonetheless, hanging out with you guys. But let's see what's happening right here. He's on some planet in a Jedi temple. Quite possibly, Jen. Quite possibly. Much love, Bulldog. I'll be checking you out later, my friend. Well, guys, y'all got the levels of support right here, 1950. I'll probably go ahead and shut it down for the night. It's already hitting up midnight my time, but tomorrow night, I don't know if it's going to happen yet. They got some guys I met. They want me to go on their channel tomorrow night. I will keep everybody informed. I don't know these group of guys, but they seem pretty decent, pretty cool people. I'll definitely let you guys know if y'all want to come watch me and I think it's like 3 other dudes. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work out yet. I'm going to just go on for 30, 40 minutes. So if y'all get some time tomorrow around 6 p.m. Central Time, I'll let you guys know. But basically just this group that Roundtable Trading or something like that. They're big into Doge or something. Big into crypto, big into Doge. They want me to go on talk some crypto with them. Might give you a better insight to some other stuff, other plays. But nonetheless, I told them I would go join them for at least a little bit, so I'll keep everybody posted. Thank you, OMG, for making sure that I have the little Twitter bot in the Discord. You really hooked me up today. I really appreciate it. Don't leave. I want to keep drinking. Watch you with 3 other dudes. Yeah, man. Them dudes seem pretty cool. They're big into the Doge community. They have a big Twitter presence. I think it'd be a good interview. Good interview. Wait for another pop. It's coming, I think. They were back above 1980. Back above 1980. I'd like to see us pop over this 5-minute candle right here. Yes, Ernesto, you are, but you have to remember I am live on YouTube. Certain lines right now you have to abide by. And me personally, I curse a lot, dude. Like, throughout the day, like, I curse a lot. So, like, I have a mind state when I come on YouTube. I'm like, no cursing, no cursing. Every now and then I'll drop something. But you have to be very, very careful. Just the way the algorithm works. Work against you if you're always in there dropping the F-bombs and stuff like that. So, just how it happens, my friend. Nestor been in here gambling. What's up, Ben Collins? How you doing, brother? I haven't seen you in a while, man. Hopefully you've been good, man. Bitcoin going to the moon. Yeah, man, I think you'll see 100K Bitcoin this year, man. Talked about that a couple times tonight. You got the Amazon news. You got, Tesla news that could probably compound on each other for the year, ultimately putting Bitcoin over 100,000. I think Amazon would be really big for Bitcoin because just the amount of retail investors purchasing stuff every day. You know, the whole world isn't purchasing a Tesla. You know, a lot of people are, but a lot of people purchase off of Amazon each and every day. That would be a big catalyst. Huge. Dice on my side tonight. Racking up them coins, man. Oh, yeah. I got tied up. You got me on that last duel, huh? Let me shoot you one real quick. I can't let you get away with that. I didn't even see that dude California Lockdown was in here. Oh ho ho, a dead man's chest. Ben Collins, I'm good. Caught you in Bulldog trading the other night. Cool, man. Yep. Me and that dude, we'll probably have a lot of future collabs coming very shortly, man. Very good dude. Ernesto taking me to the cleaners tonight. Very cool, man. Good duel, sir. Bitcoin 3444, Ethereum 2170, ADA 122, DogeCoin 1982. Everything up about Doge up 2%. Looking the best out of all of them right now. Yes, 1980 was that major level of resistance, so it is a pretty big level of support, guys. So if we do break it below it, I'm not too concerned short term because 1950 is even stronger than 1980. It really is. Ben Collins says, I'm just a guy waiting on 100K Bitcoin this year. I think you'll see it, my friend. I mean, I really honestly do, man. I think you got two big news catalysts coming up that's going to push it over the edge, my friend. What's your price point, if you don't mind me asking, man? Like, would you mind telling us how many Bitcoin you have and what price point you got in? If not, that's totally cool, man. OMG, could you drop the Discord? I'd really appreciate it. Ben, make sure to hop in our Discord if you're not in it, man. Love to have you. I'm actually gonna after we hop off tonight, OMG, I'm gonna set up a command for Discord. That way you can pop in the just pop in the chat. All you're gonna have to do is hit !! Discord and it'll drop the link. Big Colin said, good, I'll be a millionaire. Awesome, brother. Awesome, man. I think you'll see a lot higher than 100K Bitcoin one day. Honestly do, man. I really do believe that. I mean, just look where it came from where it was. If you'd have bought it in 2013, people would have laughed at you, my friend. People would have been laughing. They ain't laughing no more. You know, people are starting to take it serious, and you can see the price action. 34,000 is no joke, my friend. About an hour till midnight my time, it will go up, though, in my opinion. Yep, we're getting close to that time frame. So there you go, Ben Collins. There's a free link to the Discord, man. Make sure you hop in there. We can stay in touch, my friend. Riding that heavy support at 1980, guys. Really heavy support. Good to see it holding up at 1980, though. Really is. I was expecting a little pullback to break below 1980 with this major run-up we just had. But to see this holding is very bullish, guys. I mean, just the way the charts were setting up today, it looks super bullish. And that's why I kept thinking, like, man, we're due for a technical breakout right here. Just the way the RSI was looking, everything else. And I'm so happy that happened. OMG says I got Bitcoin under 1,000. You are a whale, my friend. I had a lot of VET and ADA when it was pennies. When ADA was around $2, I converted it to Bitcoin. Now I have about 7 Bitcoin, and I got you, my friend. So you're sitting up really nice on your Bitcoin right now. You got well over 100 grand on Bitcoin. That's a good position to have, my friend. Really good. I seen an article where it said 13% of Americans jumped into crypto this year so far. So far. I wouldn't be surprised if that number was a lot higher now, my friend. DogeCoin 1986. Looking the best out of the crypto so far today. But ADA is slowly climbing right behind it. Up 0.95%, almost 1% on the day. Looking very good. But that, my friends, is a pretty nice bull flag right here. Just a little flag waving in the wind. It's very bullish. We stay above this line, consolidate, Get ready for another leg up. It's sorry, I kind of leaned away from the mic there. But we consolidate here, get ready for another leg up. This is very bullish right here, guys. This beautiful, beautiful bull flag waving in the wind. There will be a day when the richest person in town will own less than 1 Bitcoin. I know it sounds crazy. Nah, man. I mean, dude, the future is cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. I really do think it'll be the store of wealth. And man, I'm telling you, I would hang on to you know, it's good to take profits, man. But if you can hang on to a couple of them, I think long term, dude, that'd treat you extremely well, man. So we're heading back up to 1990 on DogeCoin. Ben, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, man, I really hope you decide to hit that sub button for me. Greatly helps support the channel. And I'd really appreciate it, my friend, if we could stay in touch. Because I do think you will see that 100K Bitcoin this year, my friend. So currently right now we're having a little bit of trouble getting over 1990, but I'm fully expecting it to trade sideways for the rest of the night. If we do break below that level of 1980, remember 1950, really strong level. You see a bounce on 1950. If you're looking to pick up some Dogecoin, that'd be the perfect place to. That would just be, you know, once you're heading down, you get a nice green bump right here. That'd be a really nice buying opportunity if you see it. But I'd be patient for a 5-minute candle, because you could have if you do drop below it, we could end up, you know, back trading in this channel right here where the low is 1915 right there. Yep, appreciate it, OMG. Ben Collins says I subbed and always like when I see you live, buddy. Thank you, man. I greatly appreciate that, man. Really do. Yeah, man, I haven't rocked this slate for crypto in a minute either, man. I gotta start preparing for when crypto runs again, because everything's just gonna get so crazy. It's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be insane this next run. It really will be. I gotta start mentally preparing myself. Do y'all guys remember that? Like all the sleepless nights we had? Like, dude, when Dogecoin was ripping, I was sleeping like 2 hours a night. It was just, that was fun. That's why I actually got my channel monetized. Because we had just started streaming like a month before Dogecoin started ripping. That was fun. Fun times. And that's where I say, like, the best part of this whole journey is meeting people. Because a little coin with a dog on it brought us all together. Like, that's just, to me, that's freaking awesome. When crypto runs, I'm going to get back on Fireball and rum chata. Me, I might have to look at a Red Bull drink. Because the price action is going to be absolutely insane. When crypto starts to really rip again, and you'll know it. I'm gonna probably end up leaving the streams up while I'm at work and getting the moderators to keep everything in check. So I'll definitely let y'all know. But guys, I think it's coming shortly. Yeah, we got a couple key levels. When you start seeing Bitcoin back above 39,000, 40,000. You'll start seeing Doge back in the 30-cent range. Ethereum back 26, 27, possibly 28. ADA back to 160, 170. You're going to get some FOMO pumping in. Could definitely change the whole mood on crypto very fast, guys. If you've been buying this dip the whole time, you're going to be sitting beautiful, my friends. Oh, thank you, Ernesto, man. I really appreciate you, brother. You already know, man. He said, finding your channel was the best thing I did since starting investing in crypto. You already know you're my boy. So I appreciate you, man. You know, I would say together as a whole, I know I didn't sell at 74 cents. Next time around, if I see that type of rejection, I think I'll end up will taking profits. But, you know, nobody knew that DogeCoin was going to go from 74 to 16 cents. I mean, nobody could have told you that. We knew some pullback was healthy, but this is extreme pullback. This is giving you another chance to load the boat, guys. And I think if you're loading the boat right now, you'll see what I'm talking about when DogeCoin really starts to rip. So y'all got y'all levels of support, resistance. I think he'll treat us all well this upcoming week. I think we'll be right back on track. Yeah, this has actually explained some of the buzzwords I was hearing on Bulldog stream better. What you talking about, Jen? I'm not sure of the buzzwords. Big Collins, this run could be like 2013 with double run. We ramped so fast to the start of the year. We need a cool off period. Get some scared money out. People that don't truly believe and have conviction. Yep. Could definitely be like 2013, man. That was well said, my friend. Very well said. When crypto starts running again, I'm going to take my profits to come see you and eat some good crawfish, man. And you won't have to take much profits for that, my friend, because when crypto starts running again, I will treat you, my friend. There's nothing to worry about. Oh, I got you, Jen. 100%. Yeah, I'm putting out a whole video on how to swing trade, day trade / swing trade, signals to look for, stuff where you can kind of predict these little technical breakouts, and good positions to put your money in. If Bitcoin goes to 100K, most altcoins are going to have a 10x. Y'all will be happy. Happy. You're right, Ben. And that's what I'm waiting for, my friend. That's what I'm waiting for. 10x. Love it. I thought it was like good vibes people were putting out. Oh no, I got you. Don't worry, you stick around long enough, you will be a pro trader yourself. I think this swing trade, day trade video I'm making is gonna be very informative for a lot of people. And it's kind of video that will stay on the YouTube algorithm and kind of, be there for forever, and it'll just lead more and more people to the channel, because when people are just Googling informative information like how to read crypto charts or how to read charts, it'll build up views over time. YouTube, the algorithm tends to like informative videos, like these live streams. They don't really push them out too much in front of a broad audience. They do, but they don't. But like if you put out like a informative video like how to string your weed eater, you'll get 1 million views. It's just that's the way that they are. So it's rough. Oh, I got you, Jen. Yeah, definitely. Well, that video that I'm putting out is perfect for your situation. It's going to totally break down the simplest form to where actually I'm going to be putting out a series of videos on chart reading, and just kind of tell everybody, give them insight to how I kind of look at stuff throughout the day. When I'm at work, I set alerts, I look for stuff. Like I'm going to give y'all a bunch of really great tips in there. Really great tips. OMG is requesting an options video. You got it. I will do an options video. I'm going to start pumping these out this week, guys, so I will let y'all know. Doge 1988, my birth year. Guys, I actually got I'm turning 31 Thursday. I think so. Let me see. After 30, you can't count them. Actually, no. Tuesday night, 27th. I turned 31 years old. But I'm done counting my birthdays now. I really am. I'm getting too old. Yeah, I watch a lot of homesteading and canning and prepping, so yeah, I got you. Definitely got you. This dude's feeling himself, man, but I'm gonna accept it. He's been my daddy all night. Let me see if I can get him one good time. Thank you, Jen. Appreciate it. Really do. Ooh, but 35 hits the worst. It's coming up. Definitely coming up. Dude's getting me tonight, man. Must be the crown. Must be the crown. So Ernesto, that puts you at what, 33? Somewhere within that range? You're 88, I was 90. Yeah, boy. You got me, bro. So, yep, we're breaking back in that channel, guys. We're not going to get that technical breakout again. We're getting some pretty big red candle right here. So, 1950, really strong level. Now, keep in mind, 5-minute candles, guys. So, like, if we pop right back above and trade sideways, this would be to me, that's a false break. You can have those. And you see, experienced traders will see this, and they're gonna hold off. They'll be like, hold on, if it's a false break, I'm not gonna sell quite yet. If you're swing trading / day trading, they're gonna hang on to that. And so you have to watch for full 5-minute candles when you're swing trading / day trading. Thank you, Ben. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it very much. I think the problem we've had a plan for my friend and mine birthday because, oh, I got you. Yeah, I ain't got nothing planned. Hopefully I'll be on here streaming with y'all. That's all I want to do. Come on here and hop on, do a little streaming. Maybe get a little birthday cake in my life, and I'll be happy. So, with this 5-minute candle looking red, you can pretty much say that's we'll probably end up back in this channel. 1960, getting some pretty good sell-off. You're probably seeing some whales messing around with the market right now, guys. And from time to time, I do think they do that. Ben Collins, I've had this channel for about 3, maybe 4 months now. Not too long, my friend. You're gonna have to find me to do that. I'll be out of sight, out of mind. Oh no, it's all good. Just make sure y'all tune in Tuesday. Come hang out with me. That would be all I need. It's Tuesday, man. Tuesday. Turn the big 3-1. Yeah. You're right, Ben. Weekend is easy to manipulate, especially late at night. But, I kind of think like these little whales will run it up. Boom. Get a breakout. They'll kind of wait to see how the market reacts to it. Wait to see if a bunch of people start buying in. That way they got a good position. And you're seeing a little bit of sell-off right now from this big major run-up. But that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's a good little time right here. So let's see. Best case scenario, we get a nice pop back over 1980. The 1950 is really strong. It would definitely be the whales manipulating the market if we drop below 1950, guys. It's not going to be retail doing that right now. I don't think so. Yes, definitely. That'd have been a good swing trade right here. That'd have been a decent swing trade. If you'd have bought right before we bust through 1950, you could have sold, you probably wouldn't have sold right at 20 cents. You'd have held it. But even 1962, I mean, if you'd have bought down here in 1930, I think that when we started the stream, it was around 1930. But, the way I would have to put it, if you could take $100 and invest it and then start swing trading that $100, and by the time you double that $100, see what you can do with that. Like, just take it, go in the stock market, go in the crypto market, and start actually solely basing your trades off of the charts. See, because like right here, just say, a lot of new investors, they'll just get the hunch like, yeah, I'm gonna buy some Dogecoin. So they open up their wallet and they just buy it. They don't even look at the chart. It may be at it may be at 24/7 up here, So you have to look at the chart when you purchase it, See, right here wouldn't be bad if you're short-terming it, but if you're swing trading it, I'd be a little patient. You might see 1950 again, So just hang tight. You gotta be patient. But my advice, if you want to really work on getting your swing trading down, which can help when you start playing with bigger numbers, is you just start with $100. Take that $100 and double it. And by the time you get $200, you double that. And then by the time you do that, maybe one more time, then I think you'll be quite ready to play with some pretty big bucks in the market. Do that 2 or 3 times. Try to double your money. In the meantime, buy your dips on your long-term positions, and you'll be just fine. Staying above 50-day moving average is a good sign, I think. Yes, definitely. I don't have the moving averages up. I'm not going to play with the charts right now, but I will put them back up. I might have them right here. No, I'm not going to play with all that right now. I was messing around with my Webull app earlier. Took everything off. I'm not going to be up too much later, guys. I got to be up quite early. But I just wanted to come on, rock with y'all. Tell y'all what I was seeing with the charts. Good to see a nice little breakout. Really was cool. But I'm going to end up probably going to get some sleep, guys. Hopefully we'll hold this 1950. If we don't, actually, OMG, I need to talk to you and see if we can get a bot in the Discord for price alerts. That way we can set alerts to alert everybody, hey, 1950, for these major levels of support if we're breaking them, or major levels of resistance if we break them. It'd be good to know. Honestly, it would be. That way, middle of the day, you're not looking at your phone, you get the price alert, boom, 1980, we broke it. See what's happening. Doge is moving, She said having different accounts on different sites is also good for swing trade. I don't want my swing trade on my long-term account. And you're right. Like, my long-term account is separate from my swing trade. My swing trade is mostly on Robinhood. That's just because I don't like Robinhood, But to be quite honest and fair to Robinhood, they have the cheapest crypto prices. You don't actually own the crypto that you're trading, but they have the cheapest fees. So, double-edged sword right there. Definitely. The best thing I could tell new people is don't do what I did in 2017. Let's see what you did in 17, Ben Collins. Go in hard. Go in hard when it's running. Best time to buy is when nobody wants it. Dollar cost averaging works. Dollar cost averaging 100% works, my friends. And I'm also going to put that in that video. I'm going to stress that extremely hard. It works on the way up as the way down. That way you just don't get burned. That way you have some collateral to play with. And you need to be doing that if you're not. Like, you see Doge hit 1915 or 1950 right here. You see Doge hit 1950 and say you got $3,000 to invest in the Doge at that price point. Well, I might put 1,000 in, and then if it breaks that and heads to 1915, I'd be like, okay, well, maybe I'll put another 500, 700 bucks in, depending on how the chart's looking. The RSI, if it's really in the oversold territory on the 4-hour chart, I'm gonna explain all of that in these videos I'm gonna be putting out, because I want to be informative and actually having y'all learn something about how these charts actually work. Yeah, Robinhood is pretty cheap. Like, Webull, you go buy Ethereum. I mean, you're buying it 30, 40 bucks over what the asking price is. So, like, if I'd buy Ethereum right now, I'd probably be purchasing it for 2,200 on Ethereum. So you go negative right away. Robinhood, you go negative a little bit, but it's not as bad as some of these other platforms. But then you got to keep in mind, even on Webull, you don't own the crypto you actually trade. You don't have a wallet you can store it in. You can't just go out and purchase stuff with. That's the way you need to hold your crypto, in my opinion. Your long-term crypto is have it in a wallet, whether a cold storage wallet you can lock in a safe somewhere. That is the safest way to hold a crypto wallet. But the next one would be, to just get off of Webull and Robinhood. Once the Robinhood wallets do come out after the IPO, I will definitely be taking my stuff out. So, but guys, I'm gonna look to get some sleep. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all tuning in. Please remember to hit that like button on the way out. It greatly helps support the channel. I can be reached in the Discord at any point in time, guys. If y'all need to get in touch with me, Ben, I hope you end up joining. And dude, I really appreciate you tuning in with me tonight. Each and every one of you, greatly appreciate it. And I'll be back on the scene tomorrow night, going over some crypto. But I'll be keeping a close eye on these alerts. Looking for 1950 level of support, looking for a 1981 break, and then ultimately, hopefully, heading back up to 20 cents to get another technical breakout. So, y'all keep in touch. Let me know if y'all need anything in the Discord, and I will see y'all tomorrow night. Appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I hope y'all have a good night.